Herbert Hoover, the 31st President of the United States, had a rather peculiar demand for his White House staff. They were to avoid being seen by him at all costs. This unusual directive led to a bizarre routine where staff members would scramble to hide in closets or duck behind bushes whenever Hoover approached. The president's insistence on maintaining this invisibility act, possibly stemming from his strict demeanor or distinctive personal preferences, cultivated a truly unique and secretive atmosphere within the White House. This quirky aspect of Hoover's presidency stands out as a curious footnote in the annals of American history, highlighting the sometimes eccentric nature of those in positions of power.